Hello, guys. Happy New Year. Happy New Month. Welcome back to our first video of 2024. So, I'm going to do a quick overview, weekly analysis for GBPUSD alongside the US dollar index. So, off from the monthly time frame, I still hold a bullish bias on the monthly time frame for dollar strength index. So if we zoom in, we're going to see the likely direction the US dollar index is going to take. So on the monthly time frame, we can see there is a fair value gap. So there is a fair value gap. The region between 104.263 and 105.360. So price is likely to move and try and rebalance. The market is likely to move and try and rebalance price around that area and probably go higher as going for the liquidity resting above 107.348 high. So alternatively, if there is a change in direction, so DXY is likely to drop lower and go for liquidity around 100.543. However, so I'm more inclined towards seeing dollar strength index push higher and target the immediate fair value gap highlighted. So for GBPUSD on the monthly time frame, so GBPUSD, there is that negative correlation between GBPUSD and the dollar index. So I'm holding a bearish bias on GBPUSD on the monthly time frame overall in terms of structure. So zooming in closely, the market is in the premium area. If I mark out the swing high, the two swing points, swing high and swing low, so GBPUSD is approaching the equilibrium of these premium and discount arrays. So in this case, I'm looking out for the fair value gap, the highlighted fair value gap, the 1.25027 and high level and 1.24843 level is the fair value gap of interest. So GBPUSD is likely to drop lower and try and rebalance price around that area on the monthly time frame. So dollar index on the weekly time frame, I also still hold a bullish bias on the weekly time frame, but zooming in, there are a few areas the market is likely to head to. The 104.263 high is the immediate level of interest, so I'm thinking it should continue pushing high on the weekly time frame and take out the 104.263 high. Subsequently, go for the 104.848 high, which is the high of that fair value gap. The immediate likely direction is as I have highlighted. If there is a change in direction, so it is likely to push lower and rebalance price here. But I don't think that will be immediate. So currently my focus is on the 104.263 high, liquidity around that area, and the subsequent fair value gap. So GBPUSD on the weekly time frame, holding a bearish bias on the weekly time frame. So checking out the premium and discount arrays. So it's in the premium area, approaching the 50% Fibonacci level. So on the weekly time frame, the immediate point of interest, rather the likely place the market is likely to head this coming week, I'm more inclined towards seeing the pair drop further. We have the 1.25027 level, which is also an equal low. So there is likely a point to draw liquidity in the market, and price should continue lower and rebalance price due to the inefficiency. The 1.24 to 80 region between 1.24481 around 1.24 to 80 area, and the lows below that. So I'm holding a bearish bias on GBPUSD on the weekly time frame. Moving down to the daily time frame, I'm also bearish on the daily time frame. Last week's close saw the market close with a huge bearish candle that is following the NFP, non-farm payroll. So that just cemented my bias on the likely bearish direction this pair is currently holding on the daily time frame. However, I'll be more confident when I see a break and close below the Wednesday 17th January low, the 1.25964. As long as price is still trading below 1.27856 high, I'll still maintain my bearish bias. So I'm expecting price to go for this level of liquidity, the 17th January low, and price should continue to push lower. So that is it on the daily time frame. So the dollar index daily time frame, holding a bullish bias. So I'm expecting price to go for 104.263 high level, subsequently fill up the inefficiency around 104.511 area and 105.587 area. So the dollar index on the 4-hour time frame, looking at basing on the structure DXY, rather dollar index structure on the daily time frame upwards, I'm still bullish. So I expect I'll probably see price dropping lower, that retracement to 103.055 before heading higher. So it could go for 104.263 and drop before heading higher. Rather, it could retrace immediately and head higher. So that there are a number of possibilities, but any selling pressure on 4-hour time frame and lower time frames like the 1 hour, I'll just consider that an effort by the market to rebalance price following the displacement that occurred during and after NFP release on Friday. So I'm still hopeful that I'm still looking forward to seeing a DXY push higher. So any retracement is I consider that an opportunity to rebalance price and also offer buy entry opportunities, but I expect price to push higher, at least to the levels I have highlighted on the daily time frame, the weekly and the monthly time frame. So in the case of GBPUSD, 4-hour time frame, I am also bearish. I'm still holding a bearish bias. However, following Friday's NFP release, there's a displacement, a huge displacement. So I'm expecting, I won't be surprised if we see a bit of buying pressure, rather market coming back for upper prices. That will just be an effort to rebalance price and work out the inefficiency, the existing inefficiency. The same applies to 1-hour time frame. Overall, I expect price to continue dropping, but there should be a retracement in an effort to rebalance price, and that will offer other entry opportunities to the downside. So overall, I'm still bearish on GBPUSD. So I expect it to drop lower, to continue dropping lower. So my long-term target is seeing GBPUSD go for, if the bearish move holds, I'm looking forward to seeing it drop as low as 1.25027, and even go lower, as low as the 2nd October low on the monthly time frame. So let's see how price plays out this coming week and weeks that follow, but at the moment, that's what I think GBPUSD is going to do. So guys, I wish you a happy trading week. Remember to like this video and comment and share, so to also encourage me to make similar videos and to help you have a different point of view, or rather have a look at my thinking on what I expect GBPUSD and dollar index to do this coming week. So guys, happy trading week and also a happy new month. See you in the next video.